Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare copper versus weighted steel. We'll dive into their unique material properties, including density, conductivity, and strength. Then, we'll explore how these characteristics influence their practical applications across various industries. By the end, you will understand which material is best suited for different engineering and design challenges, helping you make informed decisions for your projects. Copper is renowned for its exceptional ability to conduct electricity, making it a cornerstone in electrical wiring and components. It also transfers heat very efficiently, which is crucial for applications like heat exchangers and plumbing. With a density of about 8.96 grams per cubic centimeter, it offers significant mass for its volume. Furthermore, copper's malleability means it can be easily formed into wires, sheets, and complex shapes without breaking. Weighted steel is primarily valued for its robust strength and ability to provide significant mass, often used in counterweights or structural supports. Unlike copper, its main advantage lies in its high tensile strength, resisting stretching and breaking under heavy loads. While standard steel has a density around 7.85 grams per cubic centimeter, weighted steel can be engineered for even greater mass. It also presents a more economical solution for applications requiring large volumes of heavy material. When choosing between these materials, consider their primary strengths. Copper is indispensable for electrical wiring, plumbing pipes, and heat sinks due to its excellent conductivity and corrosion resistance. Conversely, weighted steel is the go-to for applications demanding high structural strength, such as building frameworks, heavy machinery, and ballast. While copper is more expensive, its unique conductive properties justify the cost. Steel offers a more economical and robust solution for mass and structural support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.